Hi, today we will learn about $HTTP service in AngularJS. And in this tutorial we will learn what is $HTTP service in AngularJS. And in AngularJS, communication to the server is done using HTTP service. With the help of this service, AngularJS can be communicate with the server. With the communicate server, it can fetch data easily. And second is this $HTTP service is used to make HTTP request to remote server. Because of it means whenever we are using any HTTP service, with the help of this service, we are having many servers, and many servers. In every service we are having lots of data. If we want to fetch that data in our program, with the help of remote server, we can fetch that data from there. And third one is the AngularJS HTTP server makes a request to the server and return a response. Whenever our data is on the server, in this condition, if we want to fetch that data from the server and it want to send a response, for that we can use this. It means response means it will give a message. In this message it can show that data has been fetched or not. Another question is when to use $HTTP service. Whenever you need to use a web services in your project, then you have to use $HTTP service. Okay. And third one is how to use HTTP services. $HTTP service is a function that has a single input parameter like configuration object $HTTP config, where config is an object which has several properties. Just I want to show you what kind of properties it is having. It means it is showing here config properties name, methods, URL, params, data, headers. Whenever you are making any project, during that time you can use these services as per your requirement. Whenever you are having any kind of requirement, as per your requirement, you can use these services. With the help of the services URL, if you are using your URL, with the help of this URL you can fetch that data. And methods, in this condition you can make methods, post and get methods. With the help of these methods you can get that data. And data is the data, means whenever your data is on the server and you make any class. After making a class, in that class you are having lots of data. To fetch that data you can use method and headers. Whenever you are making any project, during that time you can use these services as per your requirement. Okay, as per you are having requirement, with your requirement you can use these services, but in any single time you can use only one or two services, not all of services. Like I have mentioned in any single project you cannot use all services, right? For example, $HTTP packet curly bracket method get. Whenever we are using this get method, in this condition we can use only get method, not we can use post. After that we have to mention here URL of that. After showing here URL, with the help of this URL we can get all of data, which data is on the server side. The HTTP service is a function which generates an HTTP request and returns a promise. Using $HTTP request in a service. HTTP requests are widely used repeatedly across every web application. So it is wise to write a method for each common request and then use it in multiple places throughout the app. Just I want to show you an example. Success and error callback. With the help of this .then method, whenever we will use the then method, and then we have to write a response and function success callback. Whenever we are fetching our data from the server side, if it can be able to fetch that data in this condition, it can show this method is a success method. But function error callback response, in the function error callback response means whenever we are writing a program, during the writing program, after that we want to fetch that data which are on the server side. If in that condition, maybe it can make any error or any problem to fetch that data. Maybe whenever we were writing a program, during the writing a program, in that condition we have wrote any wrong method. In this condition, it cannot be able to fetch that data. During that time, it can show and like this error callback. Like this error it can show in that time. These all of are I have shown to you. $HTTP services and requests. Thank you.